Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make small batch chocolate chip cookies. This recipe is perfect when you crave a warm, fresh cookie, but do not want a huge batch. We will focus on creating about 6 to 8 perfectly sized treats. You will need just a few common ingredients like 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 egg yolk. Let's get started with gathering everything you need for this delightful baking adventure. Now, let's mix our dough. First, cream together your softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, making your cookies tender. Next, beat in 1 large egg yolk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet, mixing until just combined. Once your dough is ready, gently fold in about 1/2 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. Now, it is time to scoop. Use a small cookie scoop or a spoon to form 6 to 8 dough balls. Place them 2 inches apart on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for approximately 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Let them cool on the sheet for a few minutes before transferring. To achieve the best small batch chocolate chip cookies, remember a few key tips. Always use room temperature butter. It creams much better with sugar, creating a lighter texture. Be careful not to overmix your dough once the flour is added, as this can develop too much gluten and result in tough cookies. Finally, adjust your baking time by 1 or 2 minutes based on your oven and desired chewiness. Enjoy your perfectly baked, warm, and delicious small batch chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.